University of Calabar, UNICAL, set August 20 for post-UTME screening. Eligible candidates urged to check exam details. Governor Ortom calls for peace and unity within Benue PDP, urges supporters to put aside differences. Intensive tutorial is currently in progress for students preparing for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and GCE at Akai Tutors. Should you are interested, you can visit Akai Tutors at number 67 Ududua College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Former Benue State Governor Samuel Ortom has appealed to his supporters and those of Senator Gabriel Suswan to put aside their differences and work towards maintaining peace and unity within the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in the state. Ortom acknowledged that differing opinions are natural in politics, but emphasized that they can enrich democratic discourse. He highlighted his long-standing friendship and mutual respect with Suswan, assuring that they will prioritize the party's greater good and find amicable solution to any disagreements. Ortom urged all stakeholders to remain committed to PDP's shared objectives and aspirations, promoting unity and cooperation within the party. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. The University of Calabar, UNICAL, has announced August 20th, 2024 as the date for the Post-Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, Post-UTME, for the 2024-2025 academic section, following the registration period from July 22nd to August 13, 2024. Eligible candidates who choose UNICAL as their first choice and scored at least 150 in UTME and have the required O-level credits can now prepare for the screening. Candidates are advised to log onto the university portal to confirm their computer-based test center and print their exam slip. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. Business owner can now host their QuickBooks, Sage 50 and more on the cloud with Maxi Business Strategies. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Maxi on the number displayed on your screen. Tutorial for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and GCE are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on the number displayed on your screen. Thank you for joining me in this segment of our news headline. I am Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update.